Hi, how's it going? It's Mersey Boy again. Today I've got a nice Avet SX 5.3 to 1 lever drag reel. It's my own reel. It's been getting quite a bit of use lately, out chasing the taupe, and this is just a quick chat about it and what I found. Using it, and you know, it's been pretty good, to be honest. I wouldn't say it's a premium reel, but it's definitely good bang for the buck. SX, which is good size for UK. Taupe, cod fishing, anything like that. Pollock. It's according to the box here, it's 9 pounds on strike, 14 pounds of drag max. Gives me some capacities here in monoline. I don't know if you can see that, but I basically got 300 yards of 40-pound Power Pro on it, and maybe 100 meters of back in mono, and there's still that much left on it. So it's a quality bit of kit. Obviously American made, aluminium, aircraft grade aluminium as they call it, or aluminum in America. Weighs 14 ounces, ratio, as I said, 5.3. This is a left hand model. I like to fish my multipliers left hand, and that's a really good thing that Avet do. They have a great selection of left handed reels, so something for everybody really. I'm contemplating getting the MX, one of the MX reels, MXL I think it is, the one I'm looking at. But I've been really happy with it. This reel's maybe 3 years old. It does everything I want. Good loud clicker on it, which is nice when you're taupe fishing. Get that initial run. Doesn't have to get the ears pricked up, get the blood going. So obviously you set the preload here for the drag. Strike position is in the middle there. I think I set mine to about 6 pounds, if I can remember, and then all the way up to sunset there, which I rarely use. Normally between strike and maybe just a little bit after strike is plenty. Free spool obviously there. Reel casts well. It's not one of the mag controlled ones, which thinking possibly I should have gone for, but it is more than enough for what I need. So yeah, there it is. Just a quick overview of the Avet SX. Good reel, well worth the money. Here in the UK, there's Rockmax of a distributor. They're the sole distributor, I think, in the UK. And my dealings with them have been very good. No issues. Good service. They have service centre, I believe, for Avet products. So you can get your reel fixed there or serviced, whatever your needs are. So yeah, good reel. Perfect for the UK boat fishing scene. Worth the money, I think. I think they go for about 200, between 200 and 220 now. Obviously with the mag control it's a bit dear. But yeah, great reel. I've been very happy with it. And if you're after a lever drag, left or right handed, check out the Avets. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot. Cheers.